Hey, what's going on? This is Otto in Haverhill, Massachusetts, and when I drove by here earlier, this cop was there, and that was 40 minutes ago. Still here. Look at where you got him stopped. Obviously he's leaving a lane open for the bikes, but he could have turned him around here. What's going on?
Yeah, he's checking in like 5 more minutes. Oh, so it's going to stop.
There's a traffic stop. I don't know if the car is stuck.
The car rental with Florida license plates. Vehicle completely lost power, and battery is completely drained. No power to be able to move to a safe spot. Haverhill PD was assisting him as the vehicle had an entire busy street lane blocked.
It's going to be short out of New Hampshire or Florida.
So I'm not your friend then?
Dad, you are my friend.
But you just don't want to add me as a friend.
Dad, it's just a stupid click of a button that takes 2 seconds.
Right, but you don't have the 2 seconds, or...
You thought me having someone edit my social media would make me look stupid? You should see all the comments I'm getting. People are actually really stoked on me now.
Florida plates. We got a Haverhill, Mass. Another Fourth Amendment violation. He's got his arms and hands all up in his car. Yeah, he's stuck out here. He's hoping he doesn't get hit. Yeah, the guy's stuck here. What's going on, man? What's your name and badge number?
Cheney, 183.
183. Hey, he's stuck, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, guys. There's nothing hot here. I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.